Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you will be fine. This is GK period and the topic is clothes. We wear different clothes in summer and winter season. Here is some flashcards. This is the picture of hat. The color of hat is red. I like wear hat. This is t-shirt. The color of t-shirt is pink. I like pink color. Jeans. The boys wear jeans. Vest. The color of vest is grey. Sweater. We wear sweater in winter season. Tie. Yes. We use tie. Raincoat. We use raincoat in rainy season. This is jacket. The boys wear jacket in winter season. These are gloves. We use gloves. This is coat. These are socks. This is the picture of belt. We use belt with pant. This is the picture of apron. We use apron in the kitchen. The picture of shorts. We use shorts in summer season. This is shirt. This is shirt. Here is some objects. Cap. Socks. Vest. Apron. This is gharara choli with dupatta. Girls use gharara choli with dupatta in mehndi function. This is red coat. We use in winter season.